chicken wing, a chicken wing, a chicken wing, a chicken wing. Damn it. I'll murder your soul! Ah! A day in the life of Michaela. I mean, Ukiota Girl 26. What to eat? Ice cream. French fries. Shitty chicken dinners. Wait, what is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's cold chicken deliciousness. Mommy, I love you. A chicken wing, a chicken wing, a do-do-do-do-do. Chicken wing, chicken vagina. What the fuck are you doing? How do you guys like that? Look out the window, there's some duckies, but you probably can't see them. They're in the shade. Maybe I'll go scare them a little bit. There's 4 of them and it's chickens. Chicken wing, a chicken wing. Oh my god. Okay, cannot sing chicken wing song while holding camera. By camera, I mean iPod. Plates. Clothes. It's after lunchtime. I got it. Don't look at the stove because it's dirty. This one. And this one. And then a little one because that's all we have left. You can only eat 3 at a time or else you die! Chicken wing, a chicken wing. Oh my god, time changed. I swear I will get to the chickens. This sounds really, really counterproductive. I'm making chicken wings and I'm going to go play with my chickens. Because I'm obsessed with sticks. Wrong button. Failure. There we go. Okay. Getting a shoe on. Not my shoes, but sure. We'll wear them anyway. How's Sam? How's Sam? How's Sam? Wiley! 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 Go outside. And then I'll introduce you to my new bunny, Trixie. Chicken! I don't know what it's doing out here though. Day in the life of ducks. Yeah, tough. Built for tough. Better follow him. Sam, stop chasing them, you idiot. Chicken. And Wiley. And Wiley. How come every time I try and capture you, you're like in the shade or somewhere dark? Well, that was fun. walking back, looking at Wiley's butt. Sammy, come on! Come on. Come on. Let's go see Trixie. Rosebush of death. Put ladder back so chickens do not escape. Can't have escaping chickens. That's just wrong. Sammy, come on. Come on. Wiley. Just taking a pee. Oh, that's where that douche nozzle went. Oh, how does it feel to walk straight into a door? I live in a zoo. Wow, I can't believe this is already up to 6 minutes. And my chicken strips are still not done. Hello, guys. This is Trixie. Trixie. This is Sam and Trixie. Get her. Okay, Trixie's going away now. Say bye, Trixie. Stop, Sam. You're... Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Nah, I'm just gonna freak out. Oh, God. Well, guys,